Hi there, Doug Williams, Blade Chevrolet. Thank you for letting me show you the 2010 Volkswagen diesel turbo wagon, low mile unit. Rock tip, impact resistant headlight lenses, aerodynamic front, premium Volkswagen wheels. That one does have a curb scratch on it. Looking down the side, extremely clean looking vehicle, almost 50 miles to the gallon, I believe. Rear side blinkers. Power windows, power locks, full-size mats, perforated leather interior, power seat, leather steering wheel, redundant steering wheel controls, exactly 50,360 miles, high display screen, heated leather, Tiptronic shift, electronic stability control, panoramic sunroof running the entire length of the vehicle. It's locked. There we go. Rear cargo cover. What a thief doesn't see, a thief can't steal. Passenger seat is just as pristine as the driver's. No smells, no must, no mildew. Wheel lock. Once again, thank you for letting me show you 2010 Volkswagen TDI diesel here at Blade Chevrolet.